Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to reset your graphing calculator to the factory default. If for example, for some reason you started working on your calculator and then all of a sudden it's acting up a little bit and then you don't know what's going on with the calculator, well, all you have to do, your best bet could be maybe you need to reset it to the factory default. Almost, it should fix everything at almost 100%. Let me say maybe 98% of the time. It's not guaranteed everything is going to be fixed, but for some reasons, once you reset it to the factory default, um, you should be fine. So I'm going ahead and show you it, you know. So the best way to do it, it should take you at least 30 seconds to do. So all you have to do, you're gonna go to second. That's your first thing to do. Then you go to memory. Press, this is memory. And then your next thing is 7. This is 7. You press 7. Press 2. And then press 2 again. That is it. You see? It says ti-84 Plus Silver Edition default set. So it's already on factory default. It's already reset. Now your last stage would be, all you have to do now is press enter. If you press enter, it will say done. Should be fine right now, So everything should be fine. For example, 8 by 4. Enter 32. So everything is fine. So, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful night. Don't forget to subscribe.